what's up to my subscribers and to people who don't subscribe. Hit the subscribe button for watching the videos and not subscribing. It costs you nothing, but I'm not gonna beg you. Anyway, I just did an order for 19 bucks. Actually I need to close out of it and get back with you guys before finishing what I'm supposed to do. All right, so yeah, just finished the order. It was light, just to get the day started. It was 19 and went up to like 20.53. So we're gonna see if we can get some more orders, and I'll get back with you guys if we do. All right, guys, just got another order. You guys probably can't see me up there. Just got another order for $27. There was a lot popping up today, actually. Today is Saturday. This one's 33 items, 68 units. 27 going like 2.5 miles or 2.9. So let's go knock this out real quick. Alright guys, we knocked that one out. I don't think I told you where that was to. That was to Aldi's. Aldi, whatever you want to call it. I think it stayed the same price. I think it was 26. I think I said it was 26 and it came out to be 26.30. We did refund a few things, so I'm happy it didn't go down too far. No, maybe it was 27. I think it was 27. But no, okay, so yeah, it was 27, so it went down to 26. So we're at a total of 46.83, which I'm cool with that. I mean, it was a little bit too much, but as you guys saw, he came out and helped, so I appreciate that. I think that's, hope I didn't forget nothing. I think I put it up in there. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys once we get something else. All right, guys, just got another order for Sam's Club. I've not been in the Sam's Club in months, besides for gas, but I don't go in. But anyway, $42 for 2 miles and 14 items, 19 units. There is some waters on there. So 1 Dr. Pepper, 1 Sprite, 2 waters, and that's really the only heavy things. The rest of it's like just chips and food. So this should go pretty quick for 42 bucks. Can't complain. Staying pretty busy today. I guess the summer slowdown might be done with. You know, people are in school. Maybe some of the soccer moms that were working are helping their children with their schoolwork and stuff now. I don't know. But anyway, it's picking up over here. It is a Saturday. And we'll see if it continues for the next few months. So I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, just got done with that order. It was a little bit exhausting taking it up to the house. Had to refund some Ballpark Franks and the buns that were going with it, but I think it was like 42 originally, so I just went down to 40. Woo, out of breath. Anyway, up to 87 right now. That might be the last order. Don't care to stick around. It's getting late. It's 4:31, but we'll see what happens. So I'll get back with you guys.